Hello, and welcome to this video about the Biological Safety Cabinet. I will be your instructor for today. A Biological Safety Cabinet, otherwise known as a BSC, is a containment device designed to provide a controlled environment for working with hazardous biological materials, such as viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. There are three classifications for BSCs: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. Our Biological Safety Cabinet is a Class 2, which is suitable for most biological work. There are 7 chapters to the manual for our BSC. However, I will be skipping over some of them due to them not being important, such as the introduction or how to install the Biosafety Cabinet. We will start off by briefly covering Chapter 2, Prerequisites. Make sure to keep the BSC level, and keep away from doors and vents that could disrupt airflow. Also allow 6 inches on every side for servicing. And avoid putting elbows in the cabinet to maintain the barrier. Our next chapter is going to cover features and safety precautions. Our BSC uses HEPA filtration, laminar airflow, and directional airflow for containment. Our HEPA filter is 99.99% efficient for 0.3 micron particles. As for safety, our BSC needs annual certification from a professional. The maximum work surface load for the cabinet is 50 pounds. Also, do not place open flames or flammable gases near the cabinet in order to maintain the barrier. As for disinfecting the cabinet, do not use the UV light as a replacement for surface disinfection. Avoid chlorine-based disinfectants, as the stainless steel could corrode. Decontaminate before maintenance, filter changes, relocation, spills, or program changes. Also, as a side note, never work inside of the cabinet with the UV light on. Chapter 5. Using the cabinet. There's a lot of information and controls for a BSC. First, we will start with the LCD display. This shows system status, clock, filter life, airflow velocities, and alarms. It enters sleep mode 1 minute after the blower is turned off or the sash is closed. There are many alarm screens that can appear on the LCD display, including the sash being too high, an airflow alert, an airflow alarm, a canopy alarm, and a system error. Come to me if you have any questions. To start the cabinet, raise the sash to the marked position. Then, wait around 2 minutes for the cabinet to stabilize. As for the buttons on the right-hand side of the cabinet, the blower button starts and stops the airflow. The light button controls fluorescent lighting. The outlet button turns power outlets on and off. The UV light button activates UV light when the sash is closed. The timer button sets a countdown or stopwatch timer. The OK/mute button mutes the alarms for 5 minutes. The menu and select buttons help you navigate the system settings. Please refrain from using the settings menu, as there are settings that should not be messed with. If you need to change the setting, please ask the instructor. Let's talk about maintaining the cabinet. Weekly, you should wipe down the interior surfaces with a disinfectant. You should clean the sash and UV lamp surface with a glass cleaner or lab solution wipes. Also, check blower operation and log filter life percentage. Monthly, or as needed, you should clean exterior surfaces, especially the top and front, with damp cloth or wipes. Disinfect and lift the work surface, clean the area beneath it. Inspect towel catch for debris. Check service valves and operational status of UV and fluorescent lights. Also, perform all weekly tasks. Let's move on to the PCR hood. The PCR hood is similar to the BSC in many ways. However, the main difference is the PCR hood is used to protect product, while the BSC hood is used to protect both the product and personnel using it. When working with the PCR hood, make sure that the sash is always closed and never have the UV light on while working. Cleaning procedures are more or less the same for the PCR hood as the BSC, with the exception of features and equipment exclusive to the BSC. For more extensive maintenance on both machines, such as replacing filters or parts, please refer to a professional. For more extensive information about both of these machines, please refer to the Google Docs link in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time.